Hello, Bob. This time, I would like to introduce a new machine. 2800 manual brazing machine. It's suitable for large saw blades. Its welding range is 800-1200 millimeters. Let's take a look at its welding process. The buttons left to right control saw blade knob, welding clip knob, reset button, emergency stop button. The first step of adapting machine. Enter the parameters of the saw blade, then twist the saw blade advance and retreat knob to adjust it to the welding position. Click the welding clamp tightening button to clamp the saw tip. Press the welding position button to bring the tip to the welding position. Change the moving speed of the saw blade to slow speed, and the saw blade advance and retreat knob and the welding clamp lift knob are used to adjust the welding position and welding angle of the saw blade. After adjustment, click the welding position confirmation button on the screen. Loosen the handle screw on the right side, and adjust the saw tip to the middle of the saw blade. It should be noted that the saw blade does not move, and the saw tip moves. Finally, adjust the position of the induction coil, and the spot position of the thermometer. Click reset to let the welding clamp return, so that it can be welded. After the machine is adjusted, click the saw blade advance and retreat button to control the saw blade advance and retreat. Repair welding function and hand heating function. Display 1 indicates open. The heating method can be divided into 0 single step and 1 semi-automatic. When the tip extraction option is changed to 1, the tip extraction function is turned on. When the heating mode is 0, single step, step on the foot switch once, and the machine moves 1 step. When the heating mode is 1, semi-automatic, step on the foot switch once, and run automatically. Weld a tip is a cycle. Tip extraction option display 1. The function opens. Find the tips to be pulled. Press the foot switch. Single step operation. When the tip is hot and red, the temperature reaches, and then step on the foot switch to automatically pull out the tip. Are you interested in our equipment? If you want to inquire and purchase, please contact me.